Hello everyone and welcome back to the Gadget Grid. In today's video, we're going to review the Carex Overbed Table and Hospital Bed Table, a versatile and convenient piece of furniture for anyone who spends time in bed or a chair. This rolling hospital bed table is just like the ones you see in hospitals, and it can easily slide under your bed at home. It is height adjustable from 28 to 42 inches, making it suitable for a variety of users. The Carex Overbed Table is not just for hospital beds. It can also double as a breakfast-in-bed tray or an adjustable laptop table. The C-shaped base allows for closer access while in a chair or wheelchair, and it's suitable for both left and right-handed users. The table is very durable and can hold up to 50 pounds. The tray table is a generous 33 inches by 16 inches, providing ample space for your laptop, notebook, coffee, and more. The inside of the medical table base is 26 inches wide and 15 inches deep, making it suitable for wheelchairs to fit perfectly underneath. The height adjustment feature of this table makes it easy to use in a variety of settings, whether you're in the bedroom or the living room. The smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move around, and it works great as a disability table on wheels or a chair-side table for elderly persons. Overall, the Carex Overbed Table and Hospital Bed Table is a versatile and convenient piece of furniture that can make life easier for anyone who spends time in bed or a chair. It's durable, easy to use, and offers a reliable and convenient desktop surface for any user. So, if you're looking for a great overbed table, consider the Carex Overbed Table and Hospital Bed Table. You can also check it. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.